Hello everyone, in this video we will solve the integral of cosine to the power of 7x times sine to the power of 5x dx. And while solving this integral we will use substitution method. Let me, take the integral down. The integral of cosine to the power of 7. Cosine to the power of 7x times sine to the power of 5x dx. Okay. Now, if we have a function of u and if its derivative is multiplied by dx, we use substitution to solve the integral. The position of u is not important. Maybe this may be as 1 over u cubed times u prime dx, or square root of u cubed times u prime dx. It's not important. What is important here is that its derivative multiplied by dx. Now, in this function, we have, for example, sine to the power of 5x. If we had just one cosine x here multiplied by dx, then we could say that sine x is u and solve the problem. And also we have here cosine to the power of 7x. If we had here just one sine x, we could also solve the problem by using the substitution method. Why? Because the derivative of cosine x is minus sine x. And here I will split this sine to the power of 5x into two parts. And cosine to the 7x times sine to the power of 4x times sine x dx. Now we have a function of cosine x here, and derivative of cosine x is minus sine x. Then we have sine x times dx here. Then we can use substitution method if we can write here sine to the power of 4x by using cosine x. Okay. Now we know that sine to the power of 4x is square of sine square of x. Okay. And we know that sine square of x is equal to 1 minus cosine square of x. Now, then the function can be written as cosine to the power of 7x times square of sine square of x, and this means square of 1 minus cosine square of x times sine x dx. Now, if we say cosine x is equal to u, then minus sine x dx is equal to du. This means that sine x dx equals to minus du. Now, in the integral, we rewrite cosine x as u, and we rewrite sine x dx as minus du. The integral becomes u to the power of 7 times 1 minus u square times minus du. Take this minus sign outside the integral. This is equal to du. Now, we know that a minus b square is equal to a square minus 2 times a times b plus b square. Here we have 1 minus u squared. This means that a is here 1 and b is u squared. Then this is equal to u to the power of 7 times square of 1 minus 2 times 1 times u squared is equal to u squared, and square of u squared is u to the power of 4 times du. And we will multiply u to the 7 by 1. This is u to the 7, and 2 times u squared multiplied by u to the 7 is minus 2 times u to the power of 9, and u to the 7, u to the 4 is u to the 11. Okay, du, and this is equal to the integral of minus u to 7 minus plus 2 times u to 9 minus u to the 11 du. Okay, we know that the integral of a power function, say let's say x to the n, is equal to, we add 1 to the exponent and divide by the exponent. The integral of x to the n is x to the n plus 1 over n plus 1. Now we use this method to integrate them. Minus u, we add 1 to the exponent, and exponent is 8, divide by the 8. 2 times u to the power of 9 plus 1, we add 1 to the exponent and divide by the exponent 10, minus u, we add 1 to the exponent and divide by the exponent. Exponent is 12. Okay, minus 1 over 8 times u to the power of 8, and u is cosine x here, then cosine to the power of x, 8x plus 2 over 10 is 1 over 5 times u to the power of 10 is cosine to the power of 10x minus 1 over 12 u to the power of 12. This means cosine to the power of 12x, and we add a constant c here, since the integral is an indefinite integral, and the answer is this. In the next video, I will solve this problem: cosine square of x sine to the power of 7x dx. See you in the next problem.